Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. We're back here in Paseo de Gracia, and I think today we're gonna do like a little bit of a street photography and also some strangers. Also guys, next week I'm gonna be in London, so that's gonna be super exciting. So after this video, the next video you guys see will be in London, which is gonna be super cool. So if you haven't already guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe, well, consider subscribing, which means smash the subscribe, and also the like, and drop me a comment, say hi. Hope you guys are doing good. Hey guys, excuse me?
Yeah?
You guys have a really cool look, and I'm shooting a video for my YouTube channel, taking photos of strangers in the street. If you guys want a portrait.
French.
Ah, Spanish?
Ouais.
Oh wait. Je prends photo des étrangers.
Oui.
Je donne tout look.
Tu me donnes?
YouTube.
Oui. Ah, YouTube.
YouTube.
Ah, non, papy, ça c'est papy.
And you want one?
Ah, bah.
Okay, well, that hurt, guys. That rejection hurt me. I tried to speak French, and look what happens. The French people are just not showing me a good time. Okay, so I have a good idea. I'm gonna get a picture of this guy here while he looks like he's sketching something. And then I'll go and tell him that I took his portrait and see what he says. Let's see how close we can get. Maybe we can get one like concentration. I want to get one sneaky shot close, but I don't know how I can, guys, with all of these people watching me. Let's see. I really need a zoom lens. Look up one more time. Boom. Still hasn't seen me. He's like deep in thought. I need to get one of him looking. Perdón. Estaba sacando unas fotos. Si las quieres,
¿Sí?
te las paso también. Es para mi canal de YouTube. Es un, sí. Puedo sacar una también mientras que estás ahí dibujando y hago un set, ¿vale? Y también pues así lo, sí. Ajá, yes, I want that. Mira. Oh, perdón. Stop. Sí, ¿no? Sí. Si quieres te las paso también. Sí. That would be a nice picture. Maybe we can get these two. If there was a car, it would look really cool. What about this girl riding a bike? Did we get her? No. Perdón. ¿Te puedo sacar unas fotos aquí para mi canal de YouTube?
English?
Ah, perfect. Yeah, could I get some photos of you? It's for my YouTube channel. Yep.
Okay, yeah,
Just like you're on the bike, it looks really classic.
Okay.
Can you park like just a little bit this way? Huh?
What do you want?
Yeah, like this. Yeah.
What do you do?
And sitting on the bike, it's, yeah, perfect. Nice, man. Yeah, looking at me. Yeah. Stay there. Yes, perfect. And can I get one more maybe with you like riding towards me? Or yeah, or come this way because I love the sun. Nice, man. And one more portrait,
Yeah,
just here, just standing, just like that. And looking a little bit this way? Yeah. Okay, one more looking at me. Boom.
Okay.
Check them out.
Nice. Ah, nice.
Sleeping.
Yeah. Nice. Ah, that's good.
That's a cool one.
That's a good one. Perfect. Ah, nice.
We'll just go over here and I'll get you with the bike like this
Okay.
to like full side on.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Germany.
Oh, nice.
Where are you
Whereabouts?
Huh?
Whereabouts?
Munich.
Oh, I haven't been, but I was just in Berlin shooting actually.
Ah, okay, nice.
Berlin was dope.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
That's great. Damn.
Boom.
Nice. Okay, thank you very much.
All good. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Laters.
Bye-bye.
Hola, perdona. Cuando acabáis, ¿quieres probar unos retratos aquí en la calle? Es para mi canal de YouTube. Es que saco fotos en la calle con la gente así. Si quieres, me encantan los looks. Sí. Oh, do you guys speak English or Spanish? English better? Perfect. Yeah, I take like these. Yeah. Where are you guys from? Here? Or-
Colombia, Scotland.
Oh, okay. Nice. Yeah, do you guys want to?
Colombo escocesas.
Huh?
Colombo escocesas.
Yes.
Where are you from?
New Zealand. But I live here.
I didn't know hear that accent.
Yeah, I'll feel like right here in the street. So I'll do like some portraits first of you guys separately and then we can go together and some walking. Nice, yes, yes. One more looking in this direction again. Perfect, stay there. Yes, love it, stay there. Nice, okay, cool. Let me show you these.
Wow, it's a strong look as well.
Yes, I love it with the. Mhm.
Wow, the quality's so good.
And these with the. I love these. No, with the building, it's very like. Oh, while the bus is there? Yes, I love that. See that? Yes, that looks dope. Just like that. One more at me again. Yes, perfect, perfect. Awesome. Awesome. Stay there. Stay there. That looks sick. And can I get you to try something like this, maybe? Perfect. Yeah, that. These look dope. Look. I feel like over here and then walking towards me. Oh, I love it, love it.
I got 200 downs on a list that I will try to do.
Walking. Hola chicos, perdón. Estoy grabando un vídeo, saco fotos de gente desconocida en la calle y me encantaría hacer una foto como en pareja si quieres aquí con las luces.
Que no somos pareja.
Do you want to be? No. Okay, do you want to? Mira, saco fotos así. ¿Quieres probar?
Es que ahorita vamos a...
It's like, en 2 minutos si quieres.
¿Quieres hacer tú?
Tú, él, se los hace él.
Tú también.
No, tú.
Yeah, bueno.
Boom, vamos. Okay. So let's see. Ponte aquí al cristal.
¿Aquí?
Sí.
Mirando para allá o
Mirando por allá.
por allá.
Sí.
El pose normal así. No sé.
Sí, creo que más así.
¿Así?
Sí. And can you put it, the sleeve maybe like this? Así. Yes, me aguanta. Ajá, perfecto. Y de este lado también. Ah, no, así, las basuras no. Mira. Ven, perfecto, ahí.
¿Ahí?
Un poquito más atrás.
Ok. Está otro lado también.